Hello and welcome back to Mr. Seal. Today we're gonna make a castle in the Tinker so let's begin. First, every castle must have a tower. So let's build a tower out of two orange cylinders. Here we go. Now, click Shift and select two of the cylinders. You can later click right here on Alignment tool and align them by the X and Y axis. Great. Now you can group them. Now it's one big single cylinder. Now, every tower must have a roof, so let's select the cone that we will go on top of the cylinder and again click Shift Select and use the Alignment tool to align it on the X and Y axis. Great. Now, every castle must have a wall, so let's build a wall out of a big red block. Here it is, and now we can elongate it by clicking on this little square in both sides. Awesome. Now we have created a part of our castle. Now click Shift, hold it and select every single part. Click Command C or Ctrl C to copy, Command V or Ctrl V to paste. Now we can move it around, make sure it's fit, and then we will rotate it by 90 degrees. So we don't need to redraw everything from the scratch. Here you go. Now again, Command V for another section of the wall. Again, rotate it by 90 degrees. Well, in our case it was just 180. Again, Command V, rotate to fit. Here you go, 90 degrees. Actually, let's redo it. Click again. Let's move it and rotate it. Here you go. Now move it into the position. And here you go. We just made the castle. Now, every castle must have an entrance, so we can pick this empty cylinder and click it into place. Now we will rotate it on its side, so rotate, and we will shift it back into the wall. Now we will elongate it so we can make sure it will go through the wall, and then we will lower it down using this triangle just a little bit. Here we go. Now by clicking Shift and selecting this and this wall, we can click on Group, and what it will does, it will remove the cylinder from the wall. So here we go, we have a path. Thank you and have a great day. Now we have a castle.